Do you want to upgrade a plain beret? I will show you how to add stylish embellishments to your beret to make it stand out and look beautiful. Let's get into it. The materials you will need include a plain beret, embellishments of your choice, needle and thread, fabric glue, and mannequin. First, decide on your design. You can place your embellishment around the edge in a pattern or randomly for a unique look. Once you're happy with the layout, start attaching them using your fabric glue. Carefully sew each and every embellishment on the beret for a more secure hold. Take your time to make sure everything is neatly attached and evenly spaced. And that's it. A simple way to transform a plain beret into a stylish statement piece. With that, we've come to the end of today's DIY tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you once again and see you in the next. Bye.